This was the first ever pull-out pantry I built, and I made a few mistakes when I was building it. Number one, I didn't get heavy-duty slides. So I put a center mount drawer slide on the top and on the bottom, and I didn't get heavy-duty ones. I just got the ones that I could find from Menards. And then because of the slides and the handle placement, how I have two handles here, which I just centered them on each piece, you have to use two hands to open it. You can't just open with one. So you have to actually bend down and do two hands, which is not ideal. And then number three, when I measured for this front panel, I measured from the floor up, which was a mistake because when I mounted it just off the floor. Luckily, with some out-of-the-box thinking, I should be able to solve these relatively easily. First, I'm going to fix the weight issue. What I could do is take the whole thing apart, buy new slides that are heavy duty, specifically built for this much weight, but that would be hours and a huge headache. What I could do instead is I started thinking of ways to handle the weight and allow it to pull out without having to replace everything. And I thought of ball bearings. I just got these ball bearings off Amazon. This one, I got the pack of 8 for $15. So this was like $187, I think. And my idea is I'm going to put it under the bottom shelf so the bottom shelf can slide on the wheel. If this works, it will cost me $1.87 and it'll be a lot easier. And I should be able to pull it out with one hand. Here we go. Here's the ball bearing, and I'm just really going to place it right under here. With that one ball bearing underneath, I now can open it with one hand, just like I was hoping. That solves that problem. And then for the top problem, because my front panel is too tall, I can no longer open this cabinet like I'd like to. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a line, take my oscillating saw, and cut that off. And hopefully I'll just do it right here in the kitchen so I don't have to take this off. Hopefully that works. We'll see. I placed a block of wood at the top so that the top edge of the wood is right where I want to cut. So it'll be a good bumper for when I am using my oscillating saw. And basically, I'm just going to take this oscillating saw and run along the top and make sure that I keep a straight line right at the top where that block is. Moment of truth, guys. We're going to see if everything worked. Beautiful. Awesome. Okay, so I'll put the links in my bio. Follow me for more quick fixes. See you soon.